Hi, my name is Nick Bruns in customer service. We want to make sure that your attachments last for years and years, and I'm here to share a few tricks with you to do just that. So, you want to do a general inspection as you're walking around. You're looking for things that are out of place, looking for things that are obviously broken, checking through to make sure that there's nothing that looks like it's damaged or could cause damage in the future. And you want to check and just make sure there are no leaks in your fittings or in and around your motor area. And make sure that you don't mess with the valves. They're non-maintenance, they're already preset, and anything that you do change on there could damage your motor. Before you plug in your couplers, you're going to want to make sure that there's no dirt and debris, and make sure that they're in good condition. Make sure that your crimps on here are not leaking as well. Do an inspection of your electrical, make sure that your pins look good, make sure that there's no debris. One quick tip, if you do have a connection issue, you can always use some dielectric grease. Get a good solid connection here, and then make sure that you have a good connection up top, and you're good to go. Now you want to do a visual check of both your electrical wiring and your hydraulic hoses. As you're checking your hoses, you want to make sure that you're looking for wet spots on the ground, maybe a spray, and you never want to use your hands when you're checking your hydraulic hoses because it's extremely dangerous. When you check your wires, make sure that you're looking at pinch points and you're looking for frays and your rub spots. You're also going to want to do a visual inspection on your cylinder. So the first thing you're going to want to check out is right here in your fittings, and you're going to make sure that you have a good solid fitting, your hose crimps, make sure there are no leaks there. You're also going to want to take a good look at your rod and make sure that there's no debris and no scoring, because that can damage the seal on your cylinder. And while you're down here, you're going to want to check out your pins. You're definitely going to want to check out your hardware, your snap rings, make sure that's all still in place, and you're going to want to check out to make sure you have grease and make sure there's no slop or wear inside that pin. Next, we're going to move on to this bearing. You want to check and make sure that there's no damage to the bearing, it's not covered in crud, and also that you have good grease. If you're looking for a greaser, it's right here. Make sure you're doing that. Check your attachments wear parts. On this broom, you're going to have bristles. You want to make sure that you're not more than halfway down on these bristles. If you are, you're going to want to make sure you change them. Check out your manifold. Look for leaks in and around the crimps and all of the different ends. You're also going to want to look down here and check out your solenoids. Make sure that your electrical connections are good and that you don't have any play inside that solenoid. I genuinely care about all of my customers, and I care about their attachments lasting for a long time. So if you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to call us.